Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic Recitation with Tajweed Rules. In this session, we will be studying another letter of Arabic alphabet. It is called Ya, and it has multiple sounds. One is A, second one is E, the third one is A. The second part of all of those words, A, E, A. So the first two are long vowels, and the third one is used as a consonant. So what are the articulation points for ya? They are multiple. Okay, when ya is used as alif maqsura, then the articulation point is the empty space between the mouth and the throat, and the position of the tongue looks like this, and the sound is double A. Okay. So that's when ya is used as alif maqsura, a long vowel. So this alif maqsura, it means shorten alif. Alif maqsura, that's in English, it's called shorten alif. That's the first one. The second one is when the ya is used as another long vowel. It is E, and it is normally ya, and before that is a kasra. So it's a hidden sukoon, and the letter before it has kasra. That's another sound. It's called E. We will explain this in the following session as well in more detail. So the second one is the long vowel ya as a long vowel, and the sound is E, and the articulation point is the empty space between the mouth and the throat, but the tongue position is like this. So the difference is when ya as alif maqsura, the tongue position is this, and when it is E, then the position is like this. The third one is when the ya is used as consonant. Then the articulation point is different. That's the middle of the tongue and what is opposite to it. But we will explain this in the following session. So this part is explained in the following session, and these two are here. So is it a heavy or light letter? It is one of the letters that can have both properties. So if we use ya as a consonant, then it is light. But if we use it as a vowel, then if the letter before it is heavy, then it is heavy. But this ya is heavy. But if the letter before it is light, then this ya is light. So it has both properties. It has heaviness in it sometimes, and sometimes lightness. So is it a connector or non-connector? It is one of the connecting letters. Why? Because if we see its connecting forms, that proves that that goes to show that it is a connector. So if it comes in the beginning of a word, then you can connect other letters with it after it. If it comes in the middle, then you can connect other letters before or after it. If it comes at the end of a word, then you can connect other letters before it. You won't see these forms in real text, because normally it is either written like this with two dots, yeah, or it is written like this, something on top of it. It is used as a chair. Similarly, in the middle, either you will have two dots under it, used as a yeah, other form of yeah, or you will have something on top of it, used as a chair. Okay. So how to write it? It is written. It has two parts. The top part is written above the line, and the bottom one below the line. So the top part above the line, and the bottom one below the line. Okay. Other forms can be written like this. In the beginning, it looks like this. In the middle, looks like this, and at the end, it looks like this. Can we connect them? Yes, we can, because it's a connector. But again, just to repeat that, you won't see this in the real text. Either it will have something underneath or something above. Okay, or sometimes you have this one as if it's alif maqsura, then you have to have small alif saghira on top of it. Okay, that's how we write it. So what is the English equivalent for ya? So it has multiple sounds. The first one is when it is used as a alif maqsura, as a long vowel, another long vowel E, the second part of both of them, and then I or Y sound when it is used as a consonant. Okay, for transliteration purposes, we will use, if it is used as a consonant, then we use the Y, and if it is used as a long vowel, which is alif maqsura, then it has to be double A, as and if it is used as another long vowel E, then it's double E. Okay, so as yeah, Y for as a consonant, and for long vowel we use either A or E. It depends on the situation. Okay, so we will explain this, the meaning of these in the following session, kasra, and what they do. Okay, so this is the end of this session. We will see you in next session. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.